Alright, hey y'all, welcome to another video, and this one is it's just about Ethernet connectivity. Now as y'all see, I got this from Fluke Networks, and it's a diagram of a router, and there is 5 total of 10 inputs or outputs, whatever you want to call them, because it's a two-way communication anyway with the router. So the thing about learning the router is how all of the signals go into each port. Each port, there's a different signal going into each port. Maybe computer 1 going upstairs, computer 2 going downstairs, or going to the office. Anyway, so it's basically a splitting of the signal. All right, so that's basically what this little diagram here is all about. Now over here is what they call the T568A wired up, the standard of how you wire up the wire, and this is 10568B, and I'm going to read this off to you. Hold on, let me adjust this right quick. Let me adjust it right quick. Alright. Now, so this is what's going on. Let me repeat that again. So this is the 10568A diagram, and this is the 10568B diagram. And on this one right here, on the T568A, you have the first 1 and 2, which is white and green and green. The third one is a orange and white. Okay? And then after that, the fourth one is a blue, solid blue on the fourth one. The fifth one is white and blue. And the number 6 wire is orange. And the number 7 wire is white and brown. And the number 8 wire is brown. So if y'all notice, when the wiring is here between this 4 and 5, it changes. It was, if you pay attention, there was a white and green striped on the number 1, and number 3 there's a white and green, but on this number 4 here, then it transferred over to blue and then white blue. And that's a big difference right there. Really need to pay attention to that part. But, okay, now, over here on the 10568B, now check out how this one is wired. This one is wired a little bit different. This one is wired more of an orange, white, and orange. 1 and 2, tip and a ring. Number 3, white and green. Number 4 is blue. Hold on a second. Let me look at this real closely. Okay, number 4 is a blue, and number 5 is a white blue, and number 6 is a green, and number 7 is white and brown, and number 8 is brown. The difference is over here on number 6 is orange, and over here on number 6 is green. But the 10568A and 10566B are different ways of wiring up wire. As it says here, this is a 10 base T and 100 base transmission. Use the 1 and 2 and 3 and 6 pairs. For 1000 base T, use all 4 pairs. Alright.